Hi, I'm Nick Redding with Preservation Maryland, and I'm here on site in historic Hagerstown, Maryland in the Jonathan Street neighborhood at one of our historic property redevelopment project sites. Our historic property redevelopment program is a new, exciting program of Preservation Maryland where we're making direct investments in historic places. Now, I'm standing in front of this historic cabin, which is one of our first historic property redevelopment projects in over 40 years. This building was built back in the 1830s from recycled timbers that were felled in the 1730s. And we're making a direct investment in the structure, saving it, and are going to be turning it into owner-occupied affordable housing to help reinvest in this community. That's what this program is all about, using historic places to create better, more sustainable, just, and equitable communities. We're doing this work here in Hagerstown. We're also working currently on a project in Annapolis where we're lifting one of the last watermen's cottages on City Dock out of the sea level rise threat that threatens that entire area. From sea level rise and a changing climate to investing in a community that deserves and needs our support, this is what historic preservation is all about. If this kind of work excites you, I hope that you'll join with us and make a gift to our revolving fund program. This historic property redevelopment program depends on donor support. And when you make a gift, it goes into a project like this, and then when we sell it, it goes back into the next project. It works in perpetuity, it revolves, it recycles, and it depends on your support. So help us invest in the promise of preservation.